Hello folks! Today I am going to show you how to put a QR code on your poster. So I am at my poster that I used for this Canva training, and I'm going to put a QR code on it. So I'll go nice and slow here for you. If you go to the left-hand side, at the top it says Design, and then it opens a new window. Elements, it opens a new window. Moving down that left-hand side, if you scroll all the way to the one that says Apps and click on that, it's going to open another window in which you can, in that search bar, search Canva apps. You can type in QR, and then the first drop down says QR code generator. You select that. And then as you can see, Canva actually offers a variety of different things here, but what we're wanting for our purposes is the second one that actually looks like the QR code that we would see on a business poster. So double click that, or click it once rather. Then it's going to open up a line where you can enter the URL. So this is where you're going to put the link to wherever you want your QR code to take your person. So if you've got a squeeze funnel page, you're going to write that in there. Or if you've got an external website, you're going to write that in there. I'm just going to write that is actually not I don't have a website currently, so it's going to generate a code for a non-existent website. You click the update code button, and then as you see, I've done that, and almost actually before I was able to finish speaking, a QR code popped up in the middle of our Canva poster. And as you can see, it is its own specific pixelation that's going to take you or your client, whoever scans it, to that specific URL. And from at this point, you would want to size it appropriately and put it wherever you want on the page, and then go up to the right hand at the very top and hit share and download it to your desktop in whichever format that would work best for you. Probably if it's a poster you're going to be printing, you'd want to say, PDF standard, and print from there. But that is how you put a QR code on your poster.